such a catchy intro. I just always
It's me every time, man.
Dancing. All right, so I think it was you that may have brought this up. I don't remember. I've slept since then. Somebody's gonna make a gif of me doing this. I know they're gonna do that. Okay. I think it was you, Zach, that posed the question. Whoever relists XRP first. I think you were really talking about like Coinbase and Crypto.com, but these guys beat them to the punch. It's going to get a lot of volume. So what's your thoughts on that?
Yeah, so Coinbase has been kind of rumored there because they want to help Ripple fight the SEC, apparently, in some respect. So there was rumors then like, oh, they're going to be the first to list XRP back. And I mean, and it got me thinking, whoever does list XRP first, they're going to get a ton of volume because there's going to be a FOMO event of people wanting to get into XRP when they whatever exchange lists them. But yeah, Canadian exchange has beat them to the punch.
Canadian crypto. It is Newton. Not familiar with Newton, but that doesn't mean anything. I'm just because it's a Canadian exchange. So I'm assuming geo-targeted, you live in Canada, you can use Newton.
Yep.
There you go. They beat, you could probably VPN, I guess, if you really wanted to, to get you some. Well, I'm sure there's a KYC process, but
get across the border and maybe
just kind of go over there, take the train, right? Go there and go, hey, now I'm doing my thing.
Like people do with putting their sports bets in, in New York City, they cross over New Jersey and place their bets.
You were telling me, but I think again, right? Hey, there's Raider. The bigger story here is he wanted to have some input. That's how he feels about it. He's very pro-Canadian exchanges. There he is again. He's very pro-Canadian.
Buy XRP.
Buy XRP. There you go. He's very pro-XRP. It's a very pro-XRP house here. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. But I think the bigger story here, Zach, is one I think that this opens the door to, right? It's the exchange game. You got to make it easy for people and for people to buy XRP in the United States, which is the fact that they delisted it to me was a complete. I want to really insert a negative word here, but it was just a bull S move. It really is.
It was, but I think so if you're Coinbase, I'm just trying to think like they would
minimize risk. Yeah,
they're going to battle with who?
Yeah,
the SEC. No. Okay, we can't. No. Because they want to be tight with the SEC, right?
Yeah,
so I get it, but I understand too. Here's the thing. I think this is the start, though. I think we're going to start seeing more and more exchanges, and I think the smaller exchanges are going to come first, maybe because they've got less to lose.
Yeah,
and they've got more to gain on the side of, hey, we're going to get a ton of volume.
But to your knowledge, and I actually am asking you because maybe because I know you've done a lot of XRP content, but I've actually never looked outside of what you just said, Zach, i.e., hey, I'm Coinbase, I'm Crypto.com, or whomever it is. I just, I'm just going to shut it down, XRP, because at the end of the day, I don't want to do battle with the SEC. Is that the only reason? There is no other legal reason why, if you live in the United States, you shouldn't be able to buy XRP. Is there something there I don't know is what I'm asking.
I'm with you. I think it was just there's uncertainty now with the SEC cracking down on whatever it is they're going after Ripple with or for. So we don't want to be associated with that. We don't want to be the company that still allows you to buy this asset that's,
and the risk.
I just think it's scared. Yeah, they're scared of what could happen there. And I mean, I get it because, Coinbase could survive without them. So why not? Right. But some of these smaller exchanges, especially if you're an exchange kind of barely hanging on in the bear market right now, you're going through a lot of trouble right now. I mean, man, what a nice boost this could be for a smaller exchange. I wonder, I haven't looked at this. I wonder, just looking at Uphold, which is a smaller-ish exchange. They're not super small, but not super big, somewhere in between, right? I wonder how much just having XRP available has helped them kind of stay afloat. I would love to kind of look at their balance sheet and just kind of break it down. Like, how much has XRP like literally directly helped them continue to run their business? I would venture to guess it's pretty significant.
The only problem with Uphold is a lot of people just simply don't know about it. You and I know about it. We've talked about it. We've mentioned it, but But yeah, I think this is a bigger story. And I also think this is the feeling of maybe the tides are turning a little bit, right? I think that the narrative is shifted. I think that people are ready to be, I think that this thing is changing. I agree with you. You'll probably start to see smaller exchanges that if you live in the States, you can start to use those guys to buy XRP. And then the big guys are going to wait and kind of see a little bit how this settles. And then they'll go from there. So.
I want to end with one quick note too, because I just watched somebody. I don't want to take credit for this, but I watched somebody say this. This is fascinating. If you are in the United States, the best way, cheapest way to get XRP, so you can actually buy XLM on Coinbase. Let's say you're a Coinbase user. A lot of people are. You could buy XLM on Coinbase, send that XLM from Coinbase to Kraken. Once that XLM is on Kraken, you can swap XLM for XRP on Kraken. 2 major exchanges. So if you're looking at a route you can go, there you go. The one thing about Uphold is if you're looking to buy XRP and move it to cold storage or move it to an external wallet, it could take up to 30 days. This way is cheaper, and immediately once you get XRP in Kraken, you can transfer it into a cold storage wallet or an offline wallet. So there you go. I didn't know that avenue existed until I just watched a YouTube short. Somebody was talking about it.
Yeah, YouTube. I wonder if it's going to make it. Maybe it might stick around a little bit. All right.
Yeah.
So with that said, if you're interested in Clear, check them out. Links in the description below. Get involved. There's lots of really, really cool stuff. Just too much to even count. So we're going to end on that. We'll see you. Have a good one. Bye.
See you guys.